Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool mod right here, and basically what this is a headphone splitter or an aux splitter. So that way all you need to do is plug one side, which is this side right here, onto your device. So maybe like your computer or your iPhone or some smartphone device, and they actually split it. So that way you guys have one for yourself and one for like your significant other or your friend. So that way both of you guys can actually enjoy the actual music or the videos you're planning to watch together. Or if you guys want to actually use two speakers on here at the same time, you definitely can do that as well. But this is basically what the packaging looks like for the one that we have right here on this side. And here's what it looks like on the other side right here. So let's actually open up the product first to show you guys what is actually included inside. Alright, so when you guys first open the product, you can see that that is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. So basically they provide you guys a quick starter guide or user guide to teach you guys how to use the product and how to maintain it. And then right here we have the actual product. So you can see the cable is quite short, but this is basically what it looks like. So one side right here is going to plug it into your device, and the other side you can plug it onto like a headphone, your speakers or whatever. And then in terms of the cable right here, it is nylon braided, which is super high quality. So no matter how many times you guys bend the cable, it won't break because it's super high quality. Definitely higher quality than like TPE material. And we see this part right here. This part right here is aluminum, and this part right here is gold plated. So they definitely use high quality material to make this part right here. And inside the cable they actually use high quality material as well. So that way you can actually get like the best quality in terms of the audio and also that connectivity as well when you guys use the product. And then for the plug outlet right here, it is 3.5 millimeters. And when you see it on the other side right here, this is basically what it looks like. So as long as you guys have like the correct aux cable to plug it in right here, you can definitely plug in like two speakers or two headphones at the same time to listen to audio inside right here. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually test it out to see how it works. And for this test, I'm gonna plug it into my iPhone, and we have an aux cable right here. You can see lightning to aux from the same brand. So let's test it out. So I'm plugging in right here first. And when I'm plugging the aux cable, which is what we have right here, from also the same brand, Syncwire. So I can use the cable to plug it into either one of these. So I'll test out both of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so we got it in. And the other side, I'm plugging into my speaker. So right here we have the speaker.
Auxiliary mode.
Alright, let's test it out. Alright, if I want to plug in the other one, I definitely can. Alright, so if I unplug it and plug in the other one. So I plugged it and replugged in the other one. Let's test it again. Alright, so you definitely see the actual product definitely does work. So if you guys want to use both of them, you definitely can. So I just heard from that quick little test right there, you can definitely hear the quality and everything sounds really good. You definitely get the hi-fi sound that they mentioned. It definitely has a really strong connectivity on the actual cable as well. So that way it's not like super loose or you guys lose like the audio when you guys listen to music as well. And also the way how to design the cable is super high quality. So that way the cable is tangle free as well, which is super awesome. So now that we can unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys want to like listen to the music or watch a video of someone else at the same time, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.